Okay, that was weird.
So we're caught up in drama. Everybody's talking. We're caught up in problems. Everybody's talking.
Hello, internet viewers out there. Scott and Allison, and we're back with a brand new video.
Sorry, we've been so busy the last couple weeks. We did not get a video out last week, but we'll have a bonus one for you this week.
Check it out as we show you how we built our jig to make our boat haul, and then we worked on our kitchen and we worked on the master bedroom.
Let's get to it.
Here's an update on our boat haul jig. It's raining outside, so we can't really do too much woodworking, but we got other projects we're gonna work on. Right now I'm gonna take these clamps off and hopefully we'll have a curved piece of wood. Okay, let's realize something about the cabinet, so we won't need it that long.
I just noticed that.
Okay, well here, come this way. I'm gonna do it over this edge because I think that's the best spot.
It's curved.
Does it look pretty?
It looks up. If it was all like screwed in, it'd be fine.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Nice.
Mission success.
Yeah, I think so.
Next, we went to work attaching our countertops. We had to apply a little bit of pressure to make sure that when Scott drilled through, he would be able to attach the countertops to the angle brackets underneath.
After the countertop was in place, we needed to do something to heat shield our cabinetry from our oven. We used some exhaust tape and used the pneumatic air stapler to connect it.
Next, Scott went to work with the tile saw we rented from Home Depot to break down our larger tiles for the shower into smaller pieces.
We also got our front shelves put up and we applied 1/2-inch trim to the face of it.
Next, I got to work applying the 1/2-inch plywood to the front face of our king-size bed frame. It looks amazing.
It was finally on to covering up the transition in the back of the bus. We used some high-density foam and metal tapping screws to screw them into our metal bars, and then we decided to use some turquoise fabric to cover it up. It also turned out amazing. We still have a little bit of work to do on it, but it looks good. Well, thank you for watching our video, and as always, leave us comments below and check out our exclusive content over on Facebook.
Check out Instagram too, and hopefully we'll have another video for you soon this week.
Two nerds out.